तो आज मैंने जब 6 चैप्टर का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, ट्रांसपिरेशन और ट्रांसलोकेशन मैंने जब पोस्ट किया था, तो मैंने सोचा चलो एक्सक्रीशन भी जो है मैं आज पोस्ट कर सकती हूँ। बहुत ही छोटा टॉपिक है और इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है। इसके अंदर सबसे पहले हम लोग डायग्राम देखेंगे, हम और कुछ भी देखने वाले नहीं है, क्योंकि ये सब जो भी लिखा हुआ है वो सिर्फ इन दोनों डायग्राम्स के अंदर ही है। यू विल बी एबल टू सी एंड लर्न ईच एंड एवरीथिंग व्हाट इज रिटन ओवर हियर। आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू गाइस, है ना, through the help of this diagram, these both of these diagrams. So what is this? Chalo, let us see. So what they are saying in this सबसे पहले simple funda which I am going to start with is कि you guys should know that there are two kidneys. Everybody knows that we have two kidneys, right? But apart from two kidneys, with whom these two kidneys are attached to, and what is at the end or at the bottom, start and at the end. So we can see that over here our renal artery and renal vein is being attached to the kidney, right? That means that's how the kidney is getting its deoxygenated and oxygenated blood, right? Oxygenated blood getting and removing the deoxygenated out of it. We know in the blood we can only remove what? CO2. In the blood we are removing CO2. So how come there are other things which are poisonous in the blood? Those are other things are your urea and uric acid, right? So these if the urea and uric acid is high, that means we have a chance of kidney failure. If the kidney fails, if this urea and uric acid increases, then we can go into the dialysis. That means my kidney is not at all working properly. What do we mean by working properly? My kidney is not able to filter my blood. Now filter my blood means now my kidney is unable to filter the urea, uric acid and other harmful substances out from my body. Because of that reason I need dialysis. So hemodialysis is also written over here now. So let us see. This is artificial one made by the man, right? It is very very infectious, and if this is happening, if this once this starts, then there is no ending of it. Now what is happening over here? So what my kidney is doing, my kidney is filtering the blood. What is it is filtering? Urea and uric acid. We know now that. Okay, after filtering the blood, the this thing, what is happening after that? Only water is left, and that water is going into the urinary bladder. ठीक है ना, urinary bladder. Now you should know children, it is going into urinary bladder through the ureter. Through the, where is ureter over here? Through the ureter. Can you see? This pipe is known as ureter. Now what is happening? This urinary bladder ends at the point of urethra. This is the point where you exit, you urine out, or you pass your urine. Okay, this is the point through which you pass the urine. Let it be male or let it be female, it doesn't matter. We will see how it is different in male and female in the reproduction chapter, right? Now what is happening over here? This is a pipe for me, and this pipe is very thin. We should know that one. And this, obviously this is left ureter, and this is going to be my right ureter. Now this urinary bladder, you should know children, that this is made up of muscles. Okay, this is made up of muscles means it can expand, it can contract, and it can expand, right? So when it is expanding, it can hold up to 500 ml of urine. So now if it is muscular, that means it is controlled by the hamara nervous system. That is what written over here. See, urine is stored in the urinary bladder until the pressure of the expanded bladder leads to the urge to pass it out, right? We say na ma'am, means I want to pass the urine, means I have to go to the washroom, I have to urgent washroom. This is the urgent washroom, means that now all the urine has been collecting from past 2 hours or 4 hours, and your bladder is full now, and you want to pass the urine. So what is they are saying next here? The bladder is muscular, so it is under nervous control. That's what I've said, right? Nervous control. So means my nerve and my brain is controlling my urethra. Means whenever I'm feeling like to pass the urine, at that time this is going into my brain, and my brain is then analyzing and then sending signal that you can wait for 5 minutes, or you have to go right now, or you can hold it for another half an hour, like so, right? Now what they are saying next in this, that bhai, when, okay, everything we know now, the anatomy, that it is coming into the kidney, and then everything is getting filtered out. What is not needed is being sent through the ureter into the urinary bladder, and out the urethra it goes from the body. Now where does it comes, where this structure of nephron comes? Obviously this structure of nephron comes into the kidney. Remember children, I have told you, like lungs are filtering the air है ना, they are taking out the oxygen, they are taking out the carbon dioxide and giving in the oxygen. In the same way, my kidney is also filtering. What they are filtering? Urea and uric acid. So what is inside the kidney which is actually filtering? So what it is inside, it is having, it is having capillaries of cup shaped, of coiled tubes. See, can you see? It is cup shape, it is cup shape, it is cup shape, it is cup shape. So it is all coiled together, all clusters. So that is why they are said as cluster also. And what they are very thin walled. Thin walled, it is, that is the reason it is very easy for them to do the absorption. Now what is kidney basically? How come the kidney is able to filter out the urea and uric acid? Because what the kidney, this Bowman's capsule is doing, it is taking out all the protein, all the glucose and all the water back together. See, it is written very clearly over here कि भैया reabsorbed, selectively reabsorbed. क्या reabsorb करता है? Such as glucose, amino acids are the simpler form of proteins, salt and major amount of water. If the body needs more water, then instead of sending it out through the urethra, the body reabsorbs it in the kidney also, kidney itself, with the help of the Bowman's capsule, which is coiled together. And as it is coiled together, it is known as cluster, and it is very thin walled. Understood now, children? And what it is doing, it is actually reabsorbing glucose, amino acids, salts and major amount of water. And what is not needed by the body, that has been sent into the urinary bladder with the help of a ureter, and through the urethra it goes out of the body. I hope you guys understood the structure of kidney and nephrons and their functions also, the whole anatomy. It was really easy, children, and I've tried my level best to explain it to you very in an easy form. So please do like and share and subscribe my video if you understood it, and just comment down right below it was helpful for you or not. This is me, Alice Raj, and I'm signing off.